Alright, so this is the famous garlic lane. This is actually called Jalan Sahadeva something, and this is the Jalan Melasti, and this is the famous garlic lane. That's my bike. I park here. I hope so my helmet's gonna be there still when I come back. So Jalan Garlic, actually, yeah, the situation looks here how it is. So many shops are just simply closed. Over here is something. So on the one side is Jalan Melasti, on the other side is the Jalan Padma, and this is the typically the what should I say? This is typically the shopping district, the one of the most famous streets in Legian about the shopping. However, I think only one shop on the full entire street is open, which is this one. Oh my god, actually I'm a little bit speechless because it's nothing is going on here. Usually it's so much life here and it's like so busy over here, you know what I mean? So many restaurants, so many shops, but now seems like it's nothing is going on. So as you can see, I can walk on the middle of one of the most busiest street in Legian. As you can see, I just walk literally on the middle and it's so quiet. Yeah, anyway, once again, this street is very famous for the shopping. Wherever you wanna buy the cheap Rolex, cheap Nike, I don't know, shoe, t-shirt, of course everything is 100% fake. I can warrant you that. However, this street is just very famous for that. However, literally, as you can see, no chance for any kind of shopping today. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna find any kind of warung or restaurant where I can possibly have a radler today. Normally it's as many people here as you can, you know, joke with people trying to sell you something, you know what I mean? Like, it's a lot of life, a lot of bikes everywhere. The bikes are parked here all way long, sometimes cars, everything, you know. But today seems like that's already the past and that's not exist. Check this out. This is the one side of the road and this is the other side of the road, and I'm walking on the middle of the road, which is yeah, I'm so sorry, I'm a little bit speechless because in normal conditions over here, like here, let's say there are the warungs, you can buy the shoes, t-shirts, any other accessories. Everybody will call me, hello mate, you wanna buy something, blah 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 blah, etc. But unfortunately, not today. And I'm talking about the most busiest street, about shopping stripe in Legian. It's actually very sad. Here is place for rent. Actually, if you are interested. Hello. Here was the one shop open, but that's it. Oi. Yo. All good, yeah. It is the one of the hotel, Losari Hotel Villas Bar Restaurant. Yeah. How are you, my friend? Where are the people?
Pardon?
Where is the people? Where are the people? So quiet, my friend.
It's very quiet.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm from
Just driving around, yeah.
yeah.
Alright, my friend.
I drop you?
No, I just walk. I need to. I wanna show around.
Oh.
Alright. Thank you, my friend. Take care, yeah? So that's how it looked like. No, thank you. Thank you, my friend. No, thank you so much.
I got some. All the.
Thank you, brother.
I drop you for like.
No need, I have a bike if I want to drive. Thank you, brother. So, as you can see, well, at least somebody wants to talk with me, but that was the not really right person. This is everything for rent over here. Yeah, what should I say? This is the mini mart. Also very characteristic spaces is the one mini mart is the one on the corner on the right, and one is on the left. When you're coming from the Kuta square, I mean from the Kuta, from the beach walk, mini mart will be on this side, and when you're coming from the Padma, so this is the Padma beach over there, Padma hotel, and there will be another mini mart. However, they are bankruptcy, so I'm not sure if the mini mart will still be in Bali, but I hope so. Yeah, anyway, this is the corner of the garlic lane, and this is the Padma. So everywhere, I mean, like everywhere, doesn't matter, is here, here or there is Padma. Everywhere, just everything literally is it's closed. Okay, if I'm already very close to the to the Padma, as you can see, this warung is for sale. I mean, tattoo shop here, everything is closed, guys. As you can see, it's really so sad. Okay, there is in the background is the Padma hotel. I will come back, show you one more time how it looks, the situation. However, this doesn't look much optimistic. So this is the garlic lane. Oh guys, basically I just passed very quickly the full garlic lane because well, nothing is happening here. As you can see, you can walk on the middle of the street. Everything, literally everything, except only one shop where was some clothes. Everything is closed. Many places are for rent. Probably they will never come back to the business anymore. So yeah, very sad view. Anyway, I would like to explain you one more time what is garlic lane for many people, especially for this area is very famous for the fake accessories, clothes. Very famous area for the Aussie people, for Australian mates. A lot of also bars, restaurants where you can chill, have a binge or have a lunch. Here is even the hotel. Unfortunately, this street in Legian, like many other streets in Legian, Kuta, especially in Seminyak, they are just totally deserted. And unfortunately, well, I don't know when anything will come back to normal. I'm trying to be as much as optimistic as I can. However, well, I don't know how you will feel if you will know, as 2 years ago, 1 year ago, this street was super extremely busy and full of life, and now you are just walking and it's nobody here. Oh, here, check this out. This is the very famous place, Warung Local, the local. Unfortunately, as you can see, well, I will show you, it's just closed. It's so sad. Here is the DVD shop. tour center, everything like this. Unfortunately, everything, just literally everything is closed. This is some place with the lalapan nasi jingo sata. However, seems like it's totally empty. Here's the leather shop. Here is the Legian bar restaurant, also quite famous place where you can have a binjang, stuff like this. This is the show my cellar. Oh my god, guys, it's so sad actually. Difficult to breathe. No people around me, so if I'm gonna do like that, I think so it's gonna be fine. Here is Billy's bar restaurant. Also quite famous place. As you can see, this is the typically Aussie vibes over here, Aussie flags. However, as you can see, it's just quite big restaurant. As you can see, Australian flag. They just closed, put this one, and this is that's it. This is enough. This is the famous garlic lane, the Circle K. Actually, I don't know even if it's open or not. Actually, yeah, the Circle K is open, at least one shop. However, after that, really not much is happening here. You see, like, sizes, everything. The French leather collection. So many places, but everything is looks very sad. I'm not sure if it was a good idea to making a vlog today. This is also quite famous place. You can sit here and having a beer. This is the only literally one warung with the clothes over here, and they put some music here on the TV. Well, obviously I could buy the bintang here, but this is like a shop. This is not like a warung. So my bike is still here and still with the helmet on. Here used to be supposed to be a street food market, night market. However, it seems like it's also closed. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but it's already 5 o'clock, and normally at that time it's really super busy. Here is this mini mart, what I said, very characteristic place. If you would like to come here, remember this mini mart shop, and also the Carla Spa. This is also very characteristic place. So over there is the beach walk and Kuta beach, corner between Kuta and Legian. Carla Spa is actually open. And this is the famous garlic lane. Right, guys, I will go having bintang somewhere, Radler. I hope so you enjoy my vlog today. I'm so sorry if I make you feel sad, but I decided as I will show you garlic lane, because for many of you are very familiar with area. Tomorrow will be more happy vlog. See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys. Thank you.
How are you?
How are you today? All good?
Sorry, yeah, but I speak not very good.
It's okay, Erika. It's okay. Thank you for the bintang.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Erika. Like always, Erika is very happy. At least I can buy the bintang in her cheers, guys.